Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, compass, fog lights, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, auxiliary audio input, HD radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.